Wizzard we have is a friendly clock. On the front of it we have a little compass. This is an introduction into degrees and the fraction family of 1/12. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. In between the 12 and the 1 we actually have 5 minutes. If you put 5 over 60, because there's 60 minutes in an hour, and reduce it down, you get 1/12. So right now we're going to study twelfths in this fraction family. Also, to help the children to start with, I showed a 30, 60, 90, and 120 degrees. That'll help them get started. Okay, 30 degrees is 1/12 of the total surface area of that Wizzard. If I go to 60 degrees, that's 1 2/12 reduces down to 1/6. Now they have a worksheet that starts at 90 degrees. They have to count 1, 2, 3/12 would reduce down to 1. And they keep going around here. Now they have to figure out where they stop. Now it's indexed here to show them, but they have to answer 26 questions here that have to do with the 12th fraction family. Okay, when we get finished, we flip it over, and here's the 12th fraction family with a protractor on its perimeter. We've added 1/24th, and you can do problems. We have problems for them to do, and they can see the relationship of the different fractions. Now it's important for your students to realize that, for instance, right here, between 0 and 120, that's a third of a circle. Half of a third would be a sixth. Half of a sixth is a 12th. Now that can go both ways. Now this third of a circle is colored butterscotch. Here we have a butterscotch colored part of a circle. The degrees, 120 degrees here and here, designates what fractional part of that circle it is. It's not the size or the surface area of 1/3. That's important for your students to understand. Here's a third, here's a third, and then we have a third right here. Okay, we come through here, and what we did here, we brought back the 1/16 fraction family. We've added a 32nd. It has a protractor ring. You can compare the 12ths and the 16ths. I'm going to run this all the way around, and here you have a 16th fraction family with a protractor ring for more problems. And if you need a 12th fraction family or 16th fraction family, you have them both right here together. Okay, now that brings us to our next